The iPhone camera may be the most popular point and shoot on the planet, but it's not perfect, and just like other cameras, it can have its issues. There's nothing more frustrating than pulling out your iPhone to take the perfect shot and it's not working. So follow along with this video as I give you some quick tips to solving some of these problems. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find value in the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when a new video is posted. Let's get started. If you see a black screen when opening your camera app or the screen freezes, this could be a software or hardware problem. If it's a software problem, changing between the front and rear-facing cameras might just fix it. If that doesn't change things, try completely quitting the camera app by swiping halfway up the screen until you enter the app switcher, and then next swipe away the camera app to completely close it, and then restart the camera app from your home screen. You can also try a force restart of your iPhone. Press and hold the power button on an iPhone with a home button while simultaneously holding the home button. Wait until the Apple logo appears and release your fingers. If you're on an iPhone with Face ID, you'll quickly want to push the volume up button one time, the volume down button one time, and then push and hold the power button until the phone goes black and the white Apple logo appears, and now you can release your finger. If the above tips don't work, make sure that nothing is blocking the camera lens, and then reach out to Apple for some guidance. If you need a flash because it's too dark to take a photo, here are a couple of fixes for the flash. First of all, check to make sure that the flash is on. Open the camera app, and in the upper left corner, make sure that there's not a line through the flash icon. If the flash is on, but it's still not triggering, swipe out of the camera app and swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to access the control center. Try toggling on and off the flashlight. Turn it on, wait for a few seconds, then turn it off, come back in to the camera app, and see if the flash is working now. Sometimes this fix takes some extra work and you'll need to reset all your settings. You won't lose any data or media, but you will lose some general settings that you have set up. So I'll post an article in the description of the video that you might want to take a look at before you go ahead and reset all your settings. But if you need to do it, here's how. I'm going to swipe up out of the camera app and I'm going to tap on Settings. I'm going to tap on General. I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. I'm going to tap on Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. You'll need to confirm that that's really what you want to do, and then your iPhone will be rebooted. If this fixes the flash issue, you're back in business. If not, reaching out to Apple support may be the only solution. What should you do if your photos are out of focus or blurry? Well, the first thing you want to check is to make sure that you're taking the time to focus on your subject before hitting the shutter button. So tapping on the screen to bring up the focus is a great idea before taking that shot. The second thing you'll need to do is make sure that your lens is free of dirt or debris. Using a soft cloth, gently wipe the screen to remedy the issue. If you're using a metallic case or a magnetic attachable lens, this could be causing your problem. If it's the case, remove the case and the blurriness should disappear. The last possible cause could be that dirt or debris has worked its way inside the lens. Now you need to visit Apple for service. There's nothing more annoying than an iPhone camera that's not working when you're ready to take a photo. Hopefully these tips will help the next time you're having issues, and you'll be back to taking great shots in no time. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.